Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for, I know this, Dan P. Dan, this is the console that you sent in for the unbrick service. So, to be honest, this was kind of an oddball one. The glitch chip that was in the console seemed to be attempting to glitch. I tried a one-for-one replacement with another Ace V3 after messing with the NAND for quite a bit. And eventually what I ended up doing was actually installing an alternate RGH method entirely. So I converted the console from being Ace V3 Corona to being the Matrix V1 style muffin. And as you can see here, the console does now boot. It will go ahead and fire up into Freestyle Dashboard. I didn't modify any of your hard drive stuff. So basically, I can't explain why this console stopped functioning with the Ace V3, but by using a different installation method, it seems to be working pretty well. I've booted it half a dozen times back to back sitting here. Even though that first boot that you just watched wasn't particularly stellar fast, on average it's definitely been in the 30-40 second at max sort of range. So certainly within acceptable ranges to me. The LEDs are pretty dim on these. It looks like you must have went with the purple or pink when we did those. So we'll do a second boot here. So all in all, reliable, consistently booting. Like I said, I've done it at least half a dozen times here. And just swapped you up. So the backup disc in your sleeve here is totally new. It is the old one is over here in the trash. I just pulled it out. So make sure if you build any new NANDs, you use the UPD flash off of this disc as your basis. It is up to date on current dashboard as well. Thanks.